this next one's a future project, isn't it?
Yeah, it's something I would like to show for the BA show, the final show. I don't like the artificiality of the institutional space of, well, the gallery space or art gallery, or here the university studio space or show space. And the more I've been to shows, the more I've actually been attracted to the other space that is never used, which is above the showing area, and it's the windows, and there's a very beautiful light, and even the architecture with the metallic parts and the lights, the lightings, for me are just very beautiful, and it's as if I don't want to add anything to it. And so because I've been working with putting myself in this space as making it a work, I thought, why not projecting myself in that space with a projection. So those pictures are really trials to see what it would look like. But what I would like to do, because technically it's really hard to project your moving image onto a window, for example, is pretty hard. So I thought of fitting quite a large projection into the space that I would have filmed before. So I would film that space and maybe attract the viewers to see the rest of the space, the non-used space. And from that video I would actually film myself trying to fit in that space, so I could play with the scales and the movements also going for. I've noticed I'm following the lines, so the perspective, so fitting a real body into an image, actually that's what it is, into a 2D image, and then I would put those two videos together, and you would have the result of me exploring the space, a space that I cannot not actually access, and that will be projected in the same space, so hopefully attract people attention to the rest of the space. I also would like to do some performances, so I'm thinking of interacting with the projection of the space, so moving from the idea is the space I'm thinking of is quite large, and the idea would be that the people looking at it would see someone who is trying, and who can obviously not fly, but is trying to adjust herself to a space that is inaccessible, and there would be a contrast, of course, between our limitations as physical bodies and human bodies, and the gravity and everything. So that's another thing I would like to do.
Okay, thank you.